Ready? Cool. So what we're doing today is we're going to polymerize casein from milk. Right, now the way you're going to do this is you measure out 9 ounces of milk into a measuring jar. Alright, as I have already done. Now what you're going to do is pour it into the pot. Difficult. Now, you turn on the stove, like so. And what you're going to do is you're going to wait until this gets nice and warm, not boiling, then you're going to add a little bit of vinegar. That's quick. Right, so once your milk's done, make sure it doesn't boil over like it almost did. So, this, yeah, nice and warm. So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab your other bowl, tip this hot milk into the bowl, not spilling any, like I am. Set your bowl down, because you don't want to hold it. Grab white vinegar, has to be white. Nobody likes not white vinegar. Alright, then you get your measuring spoons, this one is a tablespoon, and you want 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. So you unscrew the lid like this, right? Just remember to take the lid off. Bam, lid's off, see? Grab your measuring spoon, carefully measure out 1 tablespoon. Yeah, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, that's 4 very accurate tablespoons. Now, what should be happening is it curdles. So it looks like, week-old milk. Right? And you grab the really manky spoon from earlier, and you start to mix it like this. Keep mixing, alright, until it doesn't, look like normal milk. So, this is what it should look like. Just keep stirring, alright? It smells foul. So what's happening here is the casein, that's all the blobby bits in the milk, is normally negatively charged. Now, the vinegar that we've introduced has positively charged hydrogen ions. Right? And what this is doing is cancelling the charge in the casein to make it form a precipitate. So what it's going to do is just by itself nick off and just suspend itself in the mainly water solution that's left behind. Yeah. Just keep stirring until it doesn't look really manky. Just keep stirring. Yeah. Gosh, this smells bad. Right? Then, once it looks like it's not changing anymore, grab a glass, or whatever you want, preferably a bit on the spoon. Grab the strainer that we had earlier, put it over the glass, which is actually plastic. Get your bowl with your disgusting casein water solution, and then try not to spill it everywhere. That's your main goal at the moment. Basically, drain out all the disgusting stuff. This is why we set a towel down. Alright, and all that there, it's just globby bits of casein. And squish him down to get all the disgusting, stinky stuff out. Just keep squishing. And squishing. And squishing. Right. Now what you're going to do is, once it looks pretty much like disgusting yogurt, is get the paper towel that we had over here, yeah, alright, and basically make it huge, and then roll it back up, so it's like this, nice and thick, alright, because this is still very moisture laden, right, you're going to get this, boom, like that, now, it should look roughly like this. Yeah, it should look like this, which is pretty foul. Now what you're going to do is you're going to set it down and then, boom, just fold him over really loosely. and let the paper towel absorb all of the moisture. Yeah.